The future of digital education is here. CCSCAT will facilitate your pedagogy by 90%.
Hello, welcome again to CCSCAT, our digital school. Let's briefly talk about how to insert symbols as you build content. Remember, as I said, when you build content to teach in the classroom or online, you're going to be using Microsoft Word as the major document. Okay, you build your content with Microsoft Word, you convert it, and you link it with PowerPoint, and you start teaching with it. So here, we want to talk about how to insert symbols into your document. You go to Insert tab here, click on Insert, you go to Symbol, click on Symbols, click on Symbol here, okay, you come down, click on More Symbols, you're here. For adventure, you have it like this. If it's something like this, okay, you need to open here first, open this drop down list, scroll down and choose symbol. Okay, where are you? Okay, it's this symbol. You choose this option. So you see most of the symbols are here. This is your alpha, those beta, and so on. Okay, so whichever of them that you want to use, you just click on it like this. This is our top. Okay, our top. Click on Insert. Click on Close. That's it. If I scroll down, I'll see this is the top. Okay, this is what I've just inserted. Okay, so another shortcut, the shortcut to bring out the symbols dialog box is Alt-IS, alternate key, okay, plus I, then you press S. Look at me, Alt-I-S, that's it. Okay, there's it. So these are the symbols. Whichever one you want to use, you choose them. I don't advise you use this, not good enough for theta. Use this one, this theta. Okay, click on Insert, and you cancel. Okay. These are the symbols in the table, okay? Okay. I'm going to place this on my website. You can go there and download it for future use, okay? You have this, these are the symbols. These are the common ones. For example, you can see on the screen, if you want to type this pi for example, Alt 960, you hold down the Alt key, and you go to your keyboard, and you type 960, 960, and you release the Alt key. That's it. For example, want to type alpha, that is Alt 954. You hold down, you just select where you want the symbol to be. Okay, you hold it down, your Alt key. Then want to type, for example, alpha, that's Alt 945, 945. You release your left key. You can see that's the alpha there. As you see this, look at this. The pi we have here, I don't like this shape, so you can just go and insert from there. You can go here, okay, go to symbol, insert, okay, symbol, I don't like that pi, I want to use the one from here. Symbol, more symbols, okay, this symbol already. Look for pi here, let me scroll down. Can you see this is our pi? I click on Insert. Can you see? So this is better than that. So it's not in all cases you use the Alt key because it may not give you a good output. So you use this. Okay? So that's how to use the combination of the Alt key and the other numbers. Now look at this. This is the division, long division sign. Okay, long division sign. You press 27cc. After that, you press Alt X to give it to you. Let me just give you an example. For example, let's have this. You click here, click on that point. Okay, the shortcut for it is 27cc. Then you press Alt X. So I'll click here. Okay, 27cc. Okay, then Alt X. That is it. You can see that. So if, assuming you want to divide this by, let's say, 24, that's it. And meanwhile, the top is open. We can cover the top there. We can do that. Okay. Just go to your insert, then shapes. Okay. Then pick the line tool here. Line. Click on line there. Hold down your Shift key. I want to draw a horizontal line. Hold down the Shift key. You go there, look at the beginning there, you click and you drag like that. That's it. Draw the line. To see it clearer, okay, you hold down the control and scroll out. Hold down the control and scroll out. Okay, can you see that? Okay. Then you now go, want to format, you want to make the color black, you just move like this from down, go up gradually until you see that sign. Can you see that? Then you click, then you right click on it and you say format shape. Okay. You come here, change the color here to black. Then the width here, I'm going to change the width, leave it at 0.7. 0.7, okay, that's it. Click outside, you can see that. So you can align it. You can just move your mouse down like that, up, from down, up. You click, okay. Then you can use your arrow key, down, down, left. I click outside. You can see it as aligned. I close here. Yes, that's how to type the long division sign. You can see that. You can see that, yes. It's beautiful like this. We've talked about how to insert symbols. Let's go to my website and download it. And I'll be giving you a lot of tips like this. Just remain with me on my channel. Subscribe to this channel. The name of the channel is Digital School. Okay. Subscribe to my channel. I'll be giving you a lot of things. We're talking about Windows, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, okay, and CCSCAT itself. How to teach with the computer 100%. Thank you.